Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ben, and this is round 8 of the Smoking Hot Confessions Barbecue Game Show. Hey family, I hope you're well wherever you are and you got that thin blue smoke rolling. As I said at the start, we're up to round 8. I was just chatting offline to all the people that are here to play tonight. We've been doing this for 2 months now. That is awesome. It's so cool. And we've obviously got everything sorted because everybody was online and ready to play 5 minutes early, which is cool, really cool. And we've got a bumper number of players tonight. We're up to 17 players, which is very fun to see. So as always, the winner tonight will be winning a Smoking Hot Confessions tumbler, which I will put in the mail for them next week. And we are going to be answering 20 questions. So if this is your first time watching the show, we're going to be answering 20 questions. Think pub trivia, but all about barbecue. And those 20 questions are going to be in 4 categories, 5 questions in a category. And we're playing using a combination of Zoom and Kahoot. So they're going to be having multiple choice answers to these questions. And we're going to see who's going to battle it out with a live points tally after each question. It's really good fun. Now, speaking of those questions, we do have a guest quizmaster tonight, and the final 5 questions have been written and prepared for us by Matangi Beef out of New Zealand. So big props to them for jumping across the ditch and being a part of the show. It is going to be great to see what they've got for us. And look, I've already seen the questions and the photos, and it's pretty good stuff. It's really cool. So anyway, let's get stuck into it. Here we go. 20 questions for round 8 of the Smoking Hot Confessions Barbecue Game Show. So we're looking at barbecue in other languages. Parilla. What language is that? Is that Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, or Greek? Yeah, that's Spanish. Yeah. I thought that'd be a good one. A common misunderstanding there would be Portuguese. Okay, so Matty Harris, straight to the top. The man's wife just had a baby 48 hours ago, and here he is playing with us. The man loves his barbecue. Kate coming in second. Andy Johnson's back after a few weeks away. Welcome back, Andy. Chris Davey, first-time player on the board, and Dave is up there as well. Okay, question number 2, barbecue in other languages. Marcy. Marcy, is that Filipino, Japanese, Maori, or Samoan? That is Samoan. Yeah, very nice. A little bit of Oceania for us. All right, Andy J rocketing to the top, 1,000 points out in front. Dan Barrett's on the board. Congratulations. Dave's climbing. Dean, you're the highest climber right now. You've just jumped 9 places. Congratulations. Question 3, Hafal Shawa. What language is that for the word barbecue? Is that Arabic, Hebrew, Persian, or Kurdish? To player here. That's not why we're counting down the clock. Arabic, there you go. And interestingly, while I was researching this question, Hebrew, Persian, and Kurdish are all languages which have ties back to Arabic. There you go. All right, Dave up to the top of the board. He's just pipped out Andy J there. Anthony's on the climb. Chad Exotic is on the climb. Welcome to the board, Chad. All right, question 4, barbecue in other languages. Opekachka. Is that Greek, Polish, Slovak, or Hungarian? Yeah, that's Slovak. Very interesting there. Some great words for barbecue here. All right, 3 players have an answer streak of 3 correct. That's good. We're getting a roll. Dave's at the top. Anthony's climbing. Chad's climbing. Okay. Very close between first and fourth. Now, Shao Kao, barbecue in other languages. Is that Japanese, Chinese, Korean, or Vietnamese? And I do apologize to anybody who's listening who is actually from these countries and does speak these languages for my atrocious pronunciation. Chinese. Yeah, most people got that correct. Okay. Ribney, the highest climber, has just jumped 6 places after that question. We've got Chad's on the climb. Look at him. He's going for that tumbler tonight. Matt's on the climb. Kate's on the climb. Okay. Dave has got a little lead there, 200 points. That's the end of round 1. Round 2, barbecue podcasts. Name the host or hosts. The What's Your Beef podcast. Is that Tony Gimolero, Dominic Stevens, Jared McDonald, or Jared Moore? Yeah, that's Dominic Stevens. Most of you know who that guy is and what he does. It's a great little Aussie barbecue podcast, so do make sure you check them out. Give them a subscribe, a like, and a follow. They're just getting started. They could use your support. And it's a great show too. I've listened to most of their episodes, so get on that. Dave has the highest answer streak of 5 correct. Chad Exotic. Oh, look at that. Dave's got about 1,500 points out in front now. Matt and Dan Barrett are on the climb. This is going to be a pretty highly contested game tonight. Question 7 of round 2. Name the host. Barbecue Beat. Is that Luke Carlier, Greg Rempe, Kevin Sandrich, or Sean Walchef and Derek Marso? Yeah, that's Kevin's podcast. Great guy, Kevin. Very passionate about barbecue and podcasting. Matt Harris is making the climb. Dave's still 2,000 points out in front, though. Rusty's up 3 places, the highest climber. Chad, Anthony, and Dan Barrett are also on the board as well. Okay. Question 8. Man Meat Barbecue. Is that Mikey K, Tuffy Stone, Kevin Sandrich, or Greg Rempe? That is Mikey K's podcast, yeah. One of the biggest barbecue podcasts out there and a really cool guy. I got to spend some time hanging out with him in Kansas City last year. All right, Anthony's back with an answer streak of 3. He's on the climb back up. Adam is on the board. Chad's still there. Dave's out in front, still about 2,000 points. Question number 9. Who is the host or hosts of the Pitmasters podcast? Is that Rusty Monson and Anthony Lujan, Lyndall Scranton and Steve Kohler, Mikey K, or Kevin Sandrich? Gonna have to start making these time limits a bit shorter. I think some people might be jumping on the old Google machine. All right, that is Rusty Monson and Anthony Lujan, yeah, out of Utah. Dave now, 2,500 points out in front. Anthony's on the climb. Adam's on the climb. Dave's hot right now, 8 correct in a row. Question number 10. Name the hosts of the Barbecue Central Show. Dominic Stevens, Greg Rempe, Anthony Lujan, or Mike Pierce? Yeah, that's Rempe's show, Greg Rempe. And of course, Barbecue Central is the original barbecue podcast. He's been doing that live every Thursday night for 2 hours for 14 years this year. 2007 he started off. So there you go. Adam is the highest answer, streak of 6. He's on the climb. Kate's on the climb. Dave is stretching his legs here. No, actually he's not. Anthony's closing a little bit. That's down to just over 1,000 now. All right, round 3, Aussie barbecue joints. Which city? So, the Smoke Barbecue, is that in Perth, Melbourne, Canberra, or Brisbane? How well do we know our barbecue joints? Yeah, that one's up in Brisbane in New Farm. I stopped in there once for a couple of chicken wings there a few years ago, and they were just delightful. So crispy. Chris Davey is the highest climber, first-time player. There you go. Well done, Chris. Kate's on the climb. Adam's on the climb. Dave, they're catching up on you, man. You're going to have to be careful. Question 12 of round 8. Aussie barbecue joints. Which city? Black Bear Barbecue. Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, or Canberra? That is Sydney. Yep. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Where are we now? Adam has the highest answer streak of 8 correct. And he looks like he's trying to chase down Dave at the top there, with Anthony, Kate, and Matt H not far behind. Question number 13. Caveman Barbecue. I forgot to write the name on there. I do apologize. The name is Caveman Barbecue. Tasmania, Sydney, Perth, or Darwin. That is Perth. Very good. Yeah. Caveman. I met him in November when I went over there for Smoking in the Valley, and I got his story there. Fascinating story. Go back, check out that video. It's really cool. He's come a long way to get here. Okay. So Adam's now got 9 correct in a row. Ooh, we're down to, what's that? Just under 700 points there. Kate's on the climb. Dean's on the board. Welcome, Dean. Question 14 of Aussie barbecue joints. Which city? Sneaky Pickle. I left the name off again. Sneaky Pickle. Canberra, Brisbane, Adelaide, or Melbourne. The Sneaky Pickle. Yeah, that was Adelaide. The Sneaky Pickle in Adelaide. Haven't made it to that one, but all reports are it's fantastic. Nice. Rusty is back with an answer streak of 3. Okay, Kate is on the climb up into 4th place. Anthony, Dean, Adam. Okay, Dave's starting to stretch his legs a bit there again. Have to chase him down, folks. Last question of round 3. Southern Grace Diner. Is that in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, or Adelaide? Which city is that in? That is Melbourne, yeah. Lance Rosen, also the author of Temples of Barbecue, which is a fantastic read. All right, Kate now has 9 correct in a row, and she is chasing down Dave hard there. All right, Adam, 3rd, Dean, 4th, Anthony, 5th. All right, final round. Guest Quizmaster, Mathieu Romager from Matangi Beef. What breed of cow is this? This is the breed of cow they use there at Matangi. Is that Hereford, Jersey, Angus, or Brahman? That's an Angus, yeah. The full name of the company is actually Matangi Angus Beef, but I had to shorten it because I didn't want to give away the answer. So the full name is Matangi Angus Beef. All right. Rusty has 5 correct answers in a row. Adam's climbing. Anthony's climbing. Dean's on the board there. Question 17. Where is the ranch? The Matangi Beef Ranch. Is it in the Auckland area, the Taranaki area, Hawke's Bay area, or Christchurch area? It's in the Taranaki area, yeah. Ribney is making a comeback, 3 in a row. Anthony's chasing down Dave there. Matt's back on the board. Kate and Adam. All right, question 18. Mathieu Romager from Matangi Beef. How many days should beef quarters be hung in the chiller before processing? Is it, how many hours I should say? How much time? Oh, God, I'm terrible today. How much time? 3 hours, 3 days, 3 weeks, or 3 months? Someone's got to stop staying up late and drinking beer and writing these questions. It's 3 weeks, yeah. That's the perfect time to let him chill. Ollie, welcome, mate. Your highest answer streak of 5 correct in a row. Dave's starting to stretch his legs out again now there. 2,000 points out in front. Question 19. What cut is this? And do just pause a moment and just take that picture in. How gorgeous is that? So the timer's going to run out. I think people are not answering the question because they just want to sit there and just enjoy that beautiful picture. Yeah, that's a tri-tip. Yep. And wasn't that beautiful? Chad Exotic is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Come on, Chad. All right, Dave's at the top, 2,500 out in front. Adam and Kate are on the climb. We're going into the last question. What type of fat is marbling? Everyone talks about marbling. Is it intramuscular, intermuscular, subcutaneous, or monounsaturated? And also, just take a look at that picture. Intramuscular. Yep. Very nice. And how good was that picture? Incredible. Okay, so on the podium, third place is Adam. First time player, actually, I think. Second is Anthony. And first place, Dave. Well done, Mr. Linton. Very nice. And runners up, fourth, Kate, and fifth, Dean. Okay. All right, folks, we've got Dave now. He's our winner tonight for round 8, mate. We got a tumbler coming your way. Congratulations.
Thanks, Ben. I've already got a tumbler thanks to Anthony. He did the first pass me down. So we might hand that one down to a long-time player, Ollie, who's been around for a while.
Oh, I know he's been hanging out for one too. That's very kind and very generous of you.
Sorry, Dan. I do apologize, mate. Dan was just ringing to congratulate me. So I missed his call. I had to screen his call for you, Ben.
Mate, he's heartbroken. He's heartbroken. So there you have it, folks. That's round 8. Big congratulations go to Dave Linton for taking that out today. We've got a tumbler coming out to him next. We've got a tumbler going out to Ollie because he's very kindly handed that prize down, having already got one during the last couple of weeks. And congratulations to Anthony and Adam on their places as well. And big thanks to all the new players tonight. We've had about 3 or 4 new people here who have done really well tonight. So that's a wrap for tonight. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you next week for round 9. So till next time, take care of each other and keep on queuing.